Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M33 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set face lock in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. All you got to do is just go to the settings first and click on biometrics and security. Click on face recognition and draw your screen lock pattern for authentication. Now click on continue and front camera will be opened. Hold your phone closer to your face. 15% completed. Now 100% completed and click on done. Now put lock screen and try to open with your face ID. Yes, it's opened. So in this way you can easily set face lock for your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.